AutoCAD software. First we'll go to AutoCAD screen, switch off the grid mode and switch on the ortho mode. So the command is limits. So here specify lower left corner, which is 0, 0, upper right corner 297, 210, and then zoom, enter, all, enter. Then go to line, select some arbitrary point on the lower left corner of the screen and click on first button of the mouse and drag the mouse to the right side and take some distance and click on first button of the mouse. Again you take the cursor to the top side and again you just take some distance and click on first button of the mouse, and then go to offset, take the distance as 297. You select this object to offset and offset, take the distance as 297. You select this line, vertical line, and offset to the left side. Again you take offset, take the distance as 210, select this horizontal line and offset to the top side. Then go to zoom, extends and zoom 0.6x. Then go to fillet, select between this vertical line and this horizontal line, select between this horizontal line and this vertical line, and again select between these two. Then go to zoom, window, take near to the screen and go to the text, specify start point, select some point, take the height as 4 and rotation angle as 0, type the problem number 142. Then go to hexagonal pyramid, a hexagonal pyramid, 25 mm sides of base and 50 mm axis length, rests on HP, on one of its corners of the base such that the two base edges containing the corner on which it rests make equal inclinations with HP. Draw the projections of the pyramid when the axis of the pyramid is inclined to HP at 40 degrees and to VP at 30 degrees. Now first we will go for the layer command, and here you just click on new, take the layer as XY and again click on new, take the layer as locus, then again you just click on new, take visible layer, then go to new, invisible layer and also click on new and take it as axis layer. Then go to layer 0, click on the default of line weight of 0 and select make it to 0.05 and again XY make it to 0.13. Select the default layer of locus and make it 0.05 and say visible edges layer line weight as 0.5 and then say OK. Then go to invisible edges, make it 0.3 and say OK, and again click on the axis, make it 0.05. Then go to layer locus, click on continuous, click on load, take dash dot and say OK and click on dash dot and say OK. Then go to visible and invisible edges, go to continue, click on load, type H, hidden, click on OK and hidden layer, then click on OK. Then go to axis, click on load, take it as C center and say OK. Click on that center and make that as the line type of the axis layer. Then you just close this to layer. Now we go for zoom extends, and now you go to polygon command, say take the number of sides as 6, take the edge option and then you click on, take the cursor and select the position and click on first button of the mouse and take the distance as 25 and type 25. Then go to line, take intersection point of this and take intersection point of this. Similarly, line, intersection point of this and intersection point of this. Similarly, line, int of this and int of this. Then go to select this, go to ch and go to layer, make this as the visible layer. Then switch on the line weight display. Then here, then go to line, draw a horizontal line of some distance and go to offset, take the distance as 50 mm and select this line and offset to the top side. Then go to line, take intersection point of this and draw perpendicular to this. Similarly, line int of this and take perpendicular to this. Similarly, line int of this and take perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take intersection point of this and take perpendicular to this. Similarly, line, take intersection point of this and take perpendicular to this. Then go to line, here int of this and int of this. Then go to line, intersection point of this and intersection point of this and intersection point of this. Then go to fillet between these two and fillet between these two. Then go to split, break this line and go to erase. Then go to select between these two and select between these two and this line. Go to ch and go to layer, click on visible layer and then go to escape and select this and go to layer, go to axis and take the distance as 10 and then escape. Now we go for the group command. Select this group, select this object, you select this entire thing and then say enter. Then go to copy, select this, take this first position front view and copy it to the second position and then go to rotate, select this view and then take the intersection point of this and take minus 50 degrees. Then go to move, previous, select this and drag it and keep it here. Then go to line, take intersection point of this and draw a horizontal line and take line int of this and draw a horizontal line. Then go to line, take intersection part of this and then take intersection part of this and take intersection point of this now. Similarly, and draw a line from intersection point of this and also here. Then go to line, take intersection point of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to trim, select this as the cutting edge and this as the object to trim. Then go to line, take intersection point of this and draw a vertical line, take intersection point of this and draw vertical line. Take line int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Similarly, line int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to trim, select this as the cutting edge, object to trim as these two. Then go to line int of this, then intersection part of this and then int of this. And similarly, take int of this, then go to line, take int of this and take intersection part of this and take intersection part of this and then these two as the slant edges and int of this. Similarly, line intersection part of this and take intersection part of this and int of this. Then go to break, select this line, first point int of this and say @. Then go to break, select this first point, take intersection @. Break first point int of this and say @. Break first point, then trim this line till here and then go to extend this line till here. Then go to line, take int of this and take @. And then go to break, select this, take first point int of this and say @. Similarly, then break, select this line, first point int of this and say @. Now we have completed all these things. Now we go for select this, all the then go to break, select this line, take first point, int of this, and say at the rate. Now we go for select all the exterior edges of the boundaries of the solids are visible, apply that rule and make this layer as visible layer. Then again, these two edges are near to the observer, and you make this so here these two edges are this edge and these two edges are near to the observer, so it becomes visible. So make it visible. The edge or a corner which is on XY line in the front view is always invisible in the top view. Go to that and make it invisible, and you take this distance as 10 and say escape. Now once you do that, now we go for grouping. So if you want to make this as a grouping, you just go to group, select this entire top view and say OK. Then go to dim, go to DDIM, select modify, go to primary units, make it precision as 0, 2 units, then go to text height as 4, align with the dimension line, centered becomes above, take the offset from the dimension line as 3, symbols and arrows, arrow size as 4, and then lines, you take the offset from the origin as 3 and say OK and say close. Now we go for dimension horizontal, take intersection part of this and take intersection part of this, then take this as 38.34, then go to line, take nearest point on this, take at the rate 200 less than minus 150, then go to circle, take nearest point and take the radius as 50 mm, then go to break the circle in the counterclockwise direction and again this in the counterclockwise, then go to erase, then go to line, take intersection point of this and draw a horizontal line, again go to circle, take center point of this and take the radius as 38.30 and then go to break, select this and break it on this and you break it on this, then go to erase, then go to fillet between these two, then go to copy, select this, take intersection part of this and take this center of this, then go to rotate, select objects, select this, take base point, intersection of this, then go to reference angle as 180 and then specify new angle as intersection part of this, then go to break, select this and break it here, then select this line, go to layer, click on this locus, then go to take the distance as 5, then type this as 5, enter, then escape. Now we'll go for line, take intersection point of this and draw horizontal line, take intersection point of this and draw perpendicular to this, then go to fillet between these two, then go to line, take int of this and draw line, int of this and draw the axis line, then go to line, take intersection of this and take int of this. Similarly, you just go to line, take intersection point of this and draw a horizontal line and take intersection point of this and draw perpendicular to this, then go to fillet between. Now again you go for line, take intersection point of this, these two lines are from this point to perpendicular to this, and similarly line, intersection part of this and draw perpendicular to this, then go to fillet between these two, then go to zoom window, select this, then you come down to line, take intersection point of this and draw horizontal line, then go to line, take intersection of this and take perpendicular to this, then go to line, take intersection point of this and draw perpendicular to this, then go to fillet between these two, then go to line, take int of this and take perpendicular to this. Then go to line, intersection of this, and take end point of this, and take intersection point of this, and then take INT of this, and take INT of this, and take INT of this, and take INT of this. And then take line INT of this, and take end point of this. Then go to line, take INT of this, and take intersection part of this, and take INT of this. Then go to line, take intersection part of this, and take INT of this, and take intersection part of this. So this is how you will be able to complete the hexagon. Then go to nearer. Now we apply the boundary condition, apply the condition of visibility. All the exterior edges of the boundaries of the solids are visible. Once you get this, go to layer, you make it visible. Then go to the surface which is near to the observer, it becomes visible. So naturally this edge will also becomes visible. Then go to layer, take visible edges. Then here this edge, and this edge will automatically becomes invisible. Go to layer, make it invisible, and take the distance as 10. Take the distance as 10. Then similarly, you just go to zoom. Zoom window. You select this line and go to select this line. Go to layer, make this as axis. Take the distance as 10. Then escape. Then go to zoom previous. Then go to zoom previous. Then go to zoom previous. Then select this line and this line to make this layer as XY line. Then go to go to DDIM, select this, modify, select the primary unit precision as 0 and say OK, and then close. Then go to dim aligned, select this line and to take the distance as 25. Then dim vertical, INT of this, and take intersection part of this and take this distance as 50. And dim angular, select between this line and this line, you give it 40 degrees, type 40 degrees. Then dim TED, select this line and you take 40 degrees. Then dim angular, select this line and this line, you make it 30 degrees. And dim angular, select between this line and this line, you take text, make it 0 and say dim dimension line location, you just type it here. Then go to dim TED, select this and you take this 30 degrees here. Then go to M text, select this as the box, then go to symbol, select symbol, type small letter beta, B, you get beta. Then go to zoom window, select this, then go to move, switch off the ortho mode, you select this and place it here. Then go to zoom previous, then click on this, then go to then break this line till here, then go to the text. So here put on the caps lock, type VP, and here you type HP, and here you type Y, and then switch off the caps lock, small letter A, B, C, D, E, F, and type O, and here you type O1. Then go to O dash, and here you type O1 dash, then here you type A dash, here you type B dash, here you type C dash, here you type D dash, here you type E dash, here you type F dash. Then go to move, select this, move this and place it here. Then VP, then HP, then Y, then go to move, you take A, similarly you take B, you take C, you type D, you type E, you type F, you type O, you type O1, you type A dash, you type B dash, you type F dash, you type O1 dash, you type C dash, you type E dash, you type D dash, you type O dash. Then go to copy, select O dash, you select A dash, you type B dash, you type F dash, you type O1 dash, then you copy this to C dash here, then you type E dash, you type D dash, and here you type A, and then you copy this here, then grab B, you type here, move it here, then similarly C, and you copy this C, you copy it D, and you copy this D here, then you copy this E, you copy this E here, and you copy F, and you copy that here, then you type O, you copy this here, then you copy O1. Since here O1, some of the hexagonal face is invisible, so O1 becomes invisible, and here this becomes invisible. Then go to the text. So here you have A dash, you have B dash, you have C dash, you have D dash, you have E dash, you have F dash. Since all the hexagonal faces are visible, so O1 dash becomes visible. Then go to O dash, then go to zoom window, select this, then you just go to move, select O dash and move it here, then go to A dash, and here it is B dash, here it is C dash, here it is D dash, here it is E dash, here it is F dash, here it is O1 dash. So this is how you will be able to complete the drawing using AutoCAD software on the projections of solids. I will go to save, go to E drive, go to AutoCAD CAD, then go to solid drawings, then type P142 and save it and file.